tenement yard. Dreadlocks king live in a tenement yard. I too much watching. But watching. Dreadlocks king live in a tenement yard. Dreadlocks king live in a tenement yard. I too much watching. But watching. Dreadlocks king live in a privacy. As everything you do, whole never see. You must watching. But watching. Dreadlocks kill smoke is piping peace. Too much shit farmer, too much police. I watching. But watching. Dreadlocks kill live in a tenement yard. Dreadlocks kill live in a. I too much watching. Dreadlocks up here pre on the red man. Cause all him a do is say but watching. If you hide it, you can't meditate. You can't hide it. You can't meditate. Hear them say, Dreadlocks hit the hear them say. Yeah, man. Sometimes them people that chat too much. Them sit too much. Sometimes I feel around blind. Feel give it up. Me never ask you nothing when you tell me. I beg you daily to cease, and still you keep talking. Come on. Me granny tell me from your little baby, he that keepeth his mouth shall stay out of problems. Some of them, it seems like you is a news carrying trade, and so I ain't carrying a iron. Say about that chat of me will chat of you no further. I'll be in farmer. Hey, your mouth I'm gonna put you in a problems. I'll make big problems. Tell them again. Oh, hey, your mouth I'm gonna put you in a problems. I'll make big. What was it, Babylon? What was it? One not for officer, you can't take me one draw. I'm a rewind.